Well, that was a productive day of trick-or-treating with our friends. We collected so much candy.
I know, I got so many Three Musketeer and Twix bars.
Oh, hi. We didn't see you guys there. My name is Matthew.
Hey everyone, my name is Krishna.
And all of our friends... Wait, where did everyone go?
It seems like it's starting to get cloudy.
Uh-oh, where are we? Are we lost? This isn't familiar.
Oh no, it looks like it's about to storm. We should try to find some shelter so that our treats don't get spoiled in the rain.
You're right. Good idea. Look, over there. There's a castle. Maybe we can hide in there until the storm stops.
Perfect, let's go, quickly.
Whoa, this place is super creepy.
I know, there's dust on everything and it looks so old and antique.
I know. Wait, did you hear those strange noises? Let's go check it out.
Whoa, a laboratory. Look at all these strange machines and bottles.
I don't know if we should be touching any of it.
Whoa, do you see what's happening in those containers?
Whoa, are those potions?
I don't know. It looks like there's an instruction sheet for an experiment somebody was working on.
Well, let's put on these goggles and check it out. Safety first.
Looks like there are 3 colorless solutions that have been prepared with instructions on how to combine them.
Well, it says here that this will be the magic of Briggs-Rauscher.
Who is that? Briggs-Rauscher must be some sort of witch or wizard.
Hold on a second. I remember learning about Briggs and Rauscher once in a science class. They were 2 high school teachers that discovered a very famous chemical reaction.
Should we continue to find out what that reaction was?
Sure.
The protocol mentions a few safety precautions at the top of the page. Make sure to wear safety goggles prior to conducting this experiment. Chemicals such as sulfuric acid, iodine, hydrogen peroxide, and malonate can be harmful to the skin, nose, and eyes when exposed.
Good thing we already have our safety goggles on.
Definitely.
Well, it says the next step is to mix the 3 solutions together. Solution 1 contains hydrogen peroxide, Solution 2 contains potassium iodate and sulfuric acid, and number 3 contains starch, malonate, and manganese sulfate.
Let's try it.
Well, I wonder if anything will happen. Whoa, look at that color change.
This is crazy. I thought the solutions we started with were colorless.
They were colorless. Maybe we can read the protocol to find out why this is happening.
It says that this is one of the few known oscillating reactions in the world and is commonly referred to as the Iodine Clock experiment. Interesting.
Oscillation is a process of moving or swinging between 2 or more different states.
I see. Just like in this reaction, the oscillation is occurring as the mixture changes from colorless to yellow to dark blue.
It says here that the overall reaction is composed of many smaller reactions that all happen at the same time. The colors that we see are due to the oscillations between these reactions.
The yellow color is due to the production of I2 that occurs when I- is present in acidic conditions. The I2 from this reaction then interacts with I- to generate I3, which creates a dark blue color in the presence of starch. As the I2 concentration decreases, the I3 starch complex stops forming, leading to a colorless solution again. These reactions will continue for a set number of cycles until finally all reactants are consumed and only the dark blue I3 starch complex remains.
Well, that must be the famous reaction. This oscillation is similar to waves that we learn about in physics, where there is a repetitive up and down motion taking place. In this case, the top and the bottom of the wave represents the colors of the chemical reactions.
That's so cool! Can you think of any other oscillators?
Well, what did you think of?
Well, looking at that wave reminded me of how fish and other sea creatures swim, like dolphins. Did anyone think of that?
You're right. It reminds me of a pendulum, kind of like what's in a grandfather clock. Who else thought of that?
Good point. How about lights? Could those be oscillating?
Well, sure. Why not? Many different emergency vehicles have lights that oscillate in different ways. Well, as you can see, in addition to the iodine clock experiment, there are many other types of oscillators.
What was that?
I don't know. That doesn't sound good. Let's get out of here. Don't forget to check out the other Molecular Mania videos.
Happy Halloween!